Alright guys, check this out. What we have here is NORA Seaweed snacks. I got these at the local grocery store and they were on sale and I bought a whole bunch. I love seaweed. If you guys have ever had these things, they're generally really crispy, but I've never tried this brand and this type. So as you can see, made with rice bran oil, gluten-free, crispy original flavor, gluten-free, 3 carbs, 35 milligrams sodium. And check this out. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. 2 grams of fiber. Check that out there. Vitamin A is in there. Let's check the ingredients. Crispy seaweed and original flavor. That's pretty much it. Seaweed, rice, bran oil, salt, and some cane sugar, and pepper powder. And yeast extract. Okay, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so check this out. That's what they look like. Let's take a good look. Bring one of them out. It's definitely thicker than your regular seaweed that you'd get in a package. So let's try this out. Super crispy, and it tastes different. It's almost like airier. Like it has some pockets of air in between. It's actually really good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. I have to admit, this is probably one of my favorite seaweed snacks.